Slovenia, my homeland. Watching my husband cycle through Eastern Slovenia fills me with pride. Yet, as we journey through inspiring landscapes, I am reminded of the natural wonders we miss when following him around the world. Family road trips are a chance to discover the magic of living in harmony with nature. The vibrant vineyards and serene forests are humbling reminders of life's simple treasures. We are constantly surrounded by the beauty of green Slovenia, and I am filled with a sense of gratitude. Welcome to Slovenia, our cycling playground.